Hello, English learner. Welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club, the place where we learn the language of the heart as well as the mind. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting, nerve-wracking, and universal human experiences, having a crush. That feeling when you see someone and your heart beats a little faster, your palms get a little sweaty, and your mind fills with one big, beautiful question. Do they like me too? It's a mystery that can feel impossible to solve. You look for clues in every text message, every glance, every laugh. But what if you could know? What if you could read the signs clearly and confidently? The truth is, when someone likes you, they send signals. They might not say it with words, especially at the beginning, but their actions, their body language, their energy speaks a secret language. Today, we are going to become fluent in that language. I will share with you the 10 powerful signs that your crush likes you. This isn't about playing games or overthinking. This is about understanding human connection, so you can move forward with confidence and clarity. So, let's begin this journey together and unlock the mystery of the heart. Imagine you are at a cafe, studying English, and your crush walks in. What happens inside you? Your body reacts instantly. Now, imagine that your crush feels the same way about you. Their body is having the same reaction. The first and most powerful sign is in the eyes. We call it the lingering gaze. When someone likes you, their eyes will find you. In a room full of people, their gaze will naturally drift to you, like a compass pointing north. And when your eyes meet, they won't look away immediately in panic. They will hold your gaze for a second or two longer than is normal for a casual glance. You might see a small smile start in their eyes before it reaches their mouth. This is because our pupils actually dilate when we see something we like or find attractive. It's a biological response we can't control. So, if you catch them looking at you from across the room, or if during a conversation their eyes are focused softly on yours, paying deep attention, that is a very strong signal. They are not just seeing you, they are taking you in. The eyes are the windows to the soul, and they are often the first to tell the truth. Now, let's talk about the body. The body never lies. The second sign is the leaning in and mirroring. During a conversation, notice their posture. Are they pointed toward you? Are their feet, knees, and torso angled in your direction, forming an invisible arrow pointing right at you? This means you have their full attention. Then, watch for mirroring. This is a subconscious act that happens when two people are in sync. If you take a sip of your drink, they might take a sip of theirs a moment later. If you lean your head to the side, they might subtly do the same. It's as if their body is quietly saying, I am like you. I am with you. Most importantly, they will lean in closer to you when you speak. They will reduce the physical space between you because subconsciously they want to be closer. They don't want to miss a single word you say. This creation of an intimate, shared space is a classic sign of attraction and interest. The third sign moves from the body to the mind, and it is a beautiful one. They remember the small details. In a conversation last week, you might have mentioned in passing that you love strawberry ice cream, that you're afraid of spiders, or that your favorite book is one from your childhood. If your crush likes you, They file these little pieces of information away. Then, days or weeks later, they will surprise you by remembering. They might say, "I saw strawberry ice cream and thought of you." Or, "How was your presentation? I know you were nervous about it." This act of remembering shows that your words matter to them. You are not just background noise in their life. You are a person of interest, and the story of you is something they are carefully reading and remembering. It is a sign of true, genuine attention. Sign number 4 is about effort. And it's very clear they find reasons to be near you and initiate contact. Liking someone requires energy. If your crush likes you, they won't just wait for you to appear. They will create opportunities. They might join a club or a study group you're in. They will be the one to text you first, to send you a funny meme, or to ask a question about homework. They will comment on your social media posts. In the context of our English club, they might always ask to be your partner for speaking practice. They make an effort to be in your world. This investment of their time and energy is a clear signal. People are busy. They only invest in people and things they value. If they are consistently making that effort to connect, it's because they want to. The fifth sign is in the quality of your interactions. The conversations feel effortless and deep. With a crush who likes you back, talking feels easy. You don't have to force it. There are no long, awkward silences instead. The silences feel comfortable. The conversation flows from one topic to another naturally. You find yourselves talking for hours without realizing where the time went. They ask you thoughtful questions about your life, your dreams, your opinions, and they actually listen to your answers. They share personal stories and vulnerabilities with you. It feels less like an interview and more like a dancer's smooth, easy back and forth where both people are equally engaged and interested. This kind of conversational chemistry is a powerful indicator of mutual liking. Now, let's talk about a sign that is often misunderstood: the playful tease. When someone likes you, they often feel comfortable enough to engage in light, gentle teasing. This isn't mean-spirited or hurtful. It's affectionate. They might playfully make fun of your obsession with a certain TV show, or joke about how you always wear the same favorite hat. This teasing is a form of social bonding. It creates a private, shared joke between the two of you. It shows they are paying enough attention to notice your little quirks and habits, and they feel a connection strong enough to interact on a level that goes beyond formal, polite conversation. It's a sign of comfort and a desire for closeness. The seventh sign happens in a group setting, and it's very telling. Their friends act differently around you. If your crush likes you, you will naturally come up in their conversations with their close friends. You are on their mind, so they talk about you. This means when you meet their friends, you might notice something. Their friends might give you a knowing smile, or they might say something like, "Oh, I've heard so much about you." They might tease your crush when you're around. This is because your crush has been talking about you positively, and their friends are now in on the secret. It's a clear external sign that you are important to them. Sign number 8 is deeply rooted in care and protection. They show a protective instinct. This applies to everyone. When someone likes you, they will subtly show signs of wanting to ensure your well-being and comfort. It's not about being controlling. It's about caring. It's in the small things. Walking on the side of the sidewalk closest to the traffic. Asking if you got home safely after you hang out. Offering you their jacket if you look cold. Or instinctively checking if you're okay in a loud, crowded room. These actions signal that your safety and comfort are a priority to them. It's a deep, often unconscious sign of attachment and care. The ninth sign is about their energy and focus. You have their undivided attention. In today's world, everyone is distracted by phones and notifications. But when you are with your crush and they like you, you become the most interesting thing in the room. They put their phone away, face down. They don't glance at it while you're talking. Their entire focus is on you. If they get a call, they might ignore it or say, "I'll call them back later." This act of giving you their complete, uninterrupted attention is a rare and precious gift. It screams, "You are more important than anything else right now." It is a massive sign of respect and attraction. Finally, the 10th and most authentic sign. They simply enjoy your presence, even in silence. This is the ultimate test. You don't always have to be talking or doing something exciting. You can be sitting together on a bus, studying quietly in a library, or on a long drive listening to music. If the silence between you is comfortable, peaceful, and is not awkward or tense, it is a profound sign of a real connection. They don't need you to constantly entertain them. They find happiness and peace just by being near you. This comfortable silence means they like you for who you are, not just for what you say or do. It means they feel completely at home with you. So, my friend, you now know the 10 signs. You have the map. But I want to give you one more piece of wisdom, the most important one of all. After you see the signs, you must find the courage to take a small step. Knowledge is useless without action. Your crush might be sending all these signals, but they are probably just as nervous as you are. So, what can you do? Be brave. Use the English you are learning right now to create a little opportunity. You can say something simple, clear, and kind. You can say, "I really enjoy our conversations," or "I always have a great time with you." See how they respond. Invite them to do something low pressure, like getting a coffee to practice English together. The goal is not a big confession of love. The goal is to create a moment of connection and see if it grows. Remember, the greatest regret in life is not failure, but the chances we never took. You are learning English to communicate, to connect, to live a bigger life. This is part of that life. Trust yourself. You have everything you need. Your heart is a wise guide. Learning to listen to it and to read the signs from others is a beautiful part of the human journey. You are capable of great love and great connection. Believe in that. Thanks for watching. If this lesson on the language of the heart helped you, if it gave you confidence, then do me a favor. Don't let this be a passive moment. Take that energy and like this video. And if you want to join a community that supports your growth in English and in life, subscribe to this channel. Every week, we build confidence together. One word, one conversation, one brave step at a time. I believe in you. Now, go out there and connect.